Kidwoko mano, wangi na Attorney General mapachoka manodor ka Oduor bende nosedhi kendo kwayo Supreme Court mar mondo mi othich oko bura ma bende nochwal koda jo Kenya moko adek ma bende dwaro mar mondo mi yiero koro tim higa mabiro mano dwe mar 8 higa mar 2026 kopogore gi higa mar 2027.
Well, ka chako gi wach higa mar yiero nitie jomodhi Supreme Court mondo gipenjo ni ombulu onego bed higa mane. Gin gi very sound arguments ma od bura will have to hear them out to determine when does the 5th year fall. Nikech the 5th year is a constitutional question kaluwore gi the constitution itself. Nikech wachako kwano from the constitution. So mane ma penjo ma omen ma Willis Otieno Udalego otero e court gi jomoko kagi penjo ni the 5th year bedo higa mane. Kuro warit ni od bura bro wachamo. In terms of preparation for election, okan gichira henya ni we are doing it the right way. Nikech Monday kirango assuming ni commissioners giodonjo, usually the benchmark should be at least Monday gibede office for about 2 years. Kag itimonigi induction and itimonigi processes make yango gigi processes make IBC. Jogi kadonjo, so they will have very little time to prepare. Mano number 1. Number 2, in terms of confidence building, the processes leading to an election, we don't have time. Another problem in funding. Koro gigi to kaluoregi what we saw in the last election cycle, which need to be addressed, particularly the problems that nobody identified, the KPMG audit, the Helef Khalifa petition that was not dealt with comprehensively. The audit problems Manobedo identified, particularly a IBC component. Mago pokotim, to kutimo gigo, okutime as a secretariat, ni umrunu linki, ni we are doing it. No. Election no can mar secretariat or IBC alone. You have to involve the public, you have to involve the stakeholders, including political parties. Man should be assured ni whatever you are doing is the right thing and you build confidence. Nikech, without that confidence, then we are doing nothing. So one gishida mangen, I don't know how we will solve.